Okay, great. Um, we have almost introduced everything you need to know about functions. Let's have fun by this example. Um, Recall the example we are doing the ancient tests. At the very beginning, what we want is actually something like this. The results are presented as squares. However, in the previous example, what we had are in fact not squares. It would be something like this. So how can we print a squared test? The simple logic to do is that we can declare the width and height of that square and use them as the number of rows and number of columns. So by using these two loops together embedded, um, every time we can print out one character which is visible there. In that case, we will have a square. However, the logic of gate of getting invisible character is kind of complicated, as we have seen previously. So we don't we want it to be an independent function there. This is very easy to do because at the left here is previous example or implementation we have. We already have that logic as two loops there. We can now turn this logic into an independent function. Basically, you could just copy that code to the body of this getVisibleChar function. However, what else you need to do is there are some local variable you have to declare. For example, if you just copy this part, there is no declaration of the C, so you're going to have a C here. And there's a visible as well, the key as well. You need to add this declaration. And also for the string, invisible string, you have to add them here as well as an independent function. So that's it. Then finally, you will have something like this. You can pause the video and run the code by yourself. And now you can see the main function has been written in a neat and clear way. It's easier to read and because it's much simpler as than our previous example. So and now the function itself taking care of the logic, it's easier to maintain, and most importantly, it can be reused at anywhere we want a visible character. We can use this function. We don't have to rewrite it again and again. So that's it.